Hey guys, welcome back to Release the Craftin. Priscilla here with a journal to share for you guys today. Today I finally have my Beltane Sabbat Book of Shadows for you guys. As usual, I have made two since this is an ongoing art exchange. One more is left, so that's coming up pretty soon. But I'm really excited to finally be able to bring these to you guys. So let's get into it. As you can see, the only difference between the covers is the color of the dragonflies. I chose to just do our favorite colors, as opposed to doing anything that was sort of relevant to the Sabbat, but it all kind of works out pretty well because these colors are present in the kit. As per usual, I am using the Sassafras and Treacle journal kits, and I will link her shop down below so you guys can go check it out. They are gorgeous kits, as you will see, and I'm really excited to be able to use them. I have made some tassels using some gemstone beads and this pretty rose bead, and a little metal type bead on there as well. So there is calcite and carnelian beads on that. And then for the cover, I've used this dragonfly glaze from Folk Art. I don't know if that's going to focus, but it's supposed to have a green to red shift. It doesn't really show up that well on the purple. It just shows with like the red shift, which I don't know if that's even going to pick up on camera. On the green one, you can kind of see more of the shifting colors. But yeah, I don't know, I'm not super impressed with it. I'm going to try it on white and black and see if there's something different there. But for those of you who follow me on Instagram, might have seen that I got it in a haul, and some people were wondering what it looks like. So that's what that dragonfly glaze looks like. It's just really fine glitter, and it goes on clear on top of whatever you put it on. And then for the back, I used a burlap doily, and then some of this jute twine. And I just added a little flower with some of these paper cutouts I got from Shayna, so thank you for that, Shayna. I got this gorgeous fabric from April at Pink Oddbird. She sent me a ton of it, and I just thought it was really nice. Had a lot of bright vibrancy, and I just really wanted to use it. And then I inked up the edges with some picked raspberry distress oxide. And here we go, first page in. So the inside is lined with the papers from the kit, and then I used just some cardstock that I stenciled over with that picked raspberry. And I love this kit, you guys. It's just so beautiful. She used really soft tones, and there's lots of dancing imagery, since the Sabbat of Beltane is a festive fertility sort of thing. There's dances around the maypoles, bonfires, all sorts of stuff like that. And I think she really captured that with these kits, so I was really excited to use them. I dyed this paper pink using some Faber-Castell tea stain dye. And if I remember, I'll link it down below, but I maybe won't. So ask me if I forget. So I did some tea staining with that and got these really pretty pink colors. It's like a hibiscus tea stain, and it has like these little strands of blue that go through it, and I just thought that was really great. That's a little better. And I used a little butterfly paper clip to secure this little library card pocket down on there, and then that came with a tag from the kit. Just gorgeous, gorgeous pages. Here's a book page with a summer theme to it. And I got the full set, I guess. There's like a Sabbat add-on and a page add-on. So I got all of that to put into this book. And the Sabbat add-on has correspondence information and like meals and recipe ideas, sort of things like that. Just fun stuff. Some more of that gorgeous kit. And a little side pocket with some tags in it. And I think she really captured the symbols of the festival. Use a little vellum to separate that. I love this deer page. There's another one of the Sabbat add-ons. A little doily in the middle. This is a pocket, and then a pocket so you can tuck something inside there. And I got this book paper from April. It's like some gardening paper. And I have this rose stationery paper and this really cool mandrake sheet, which I thought was a really neat touch. And then there is a tarot spread. And then the first signature is where one of those dangles come from. I'm going to use the little tickets as tabs again. And there's like some beautiful solar imagery. So I'm really loving this kit. Turn that into a little flip out journaling spot. The other side of the doily. And with this little spiral paper clip, I have added this little envelope that came in the kit. And I love the fruit that she used. It just looks so delicious. And then I made this tag into a little side pocket and added a little bit of fiber to that just to keep it interesting. And that has a little tag inside. There's the other side of that book page. These little monkeys, which I thought were really cute. And then that is the first signature and the second signature. And then there's some recipe paper I got from April. Some more of that stationery paper. I wanted to keep that rose theme going. There's some ritual suggestions, a little top tuck. And then that turns into a little envelope. You can tuck something in up there. Some more of that gardening paper. And here's the formulary sheet. And then there's some butterfly stationery paper I used. And then this is one side of an envelope. It's got a tag stuck in there. And then some handmade paper. With some really nice leaves and stuff in there. And here's the center of the second signature. And there is the charm for that. And the lovely images of people dancing. I love that she chose like an Indian couple as well. And then there's some music paper that folds out. And this is the envelope where I'm going to tuck in a bunch of Sabbat related images. I haven't done that yet, but I'm about to. Forgot to do that before I started filming. Then there is a sheet for kitchen witchery. The other side of that stationery paper. This really pretty design with a maypole in the background. And then another one of those side pockets, which I just tucked some tags into. And this really great like zodiac design and some lore for the Sabbat. Some coffee dyed graph paper. And I turned this into a little side pocket and just tossed in some tags to that. And on the other side is another pocket to tuck stuff into. And that is the end of the book. So that's going to be it for our Beltane Book of Shadows. The next one should be coming up pretty soon. They are both done, so I will catch you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Happy crafting. Bye!